told me one day, hey, boo-boo, check this out, bro. Let me hold 2 cigarettes till goddamn I went to the store go get mine. Cool, my nigga, here you go. I need 2 cigarettes. I ain't seen that motherfucker in 3 days.
Hey, ask that nigga when I seen how many cigarettes I gave his ass.
He gave me 3. In 3 days.
I ain't had number 5. Hey, get what I said, man. Look, this what I told nigga when I seen him. He said, "Man, you got a cigarette." Hey, look, this what I told nigga. I said, he said, "Boy, you remember, boy, you owe me them cigarettes?" I said, "He down so right." I looked at the pack. I said, "Man, I got 7 cigarettes left." It early, my girl Jen went to work and she told me, "Don't smoke all them cigarettes." I gave him 2. I looked at him again. I gave him another. I said, "Here you go, bro." Okay, I know it been 3 days since I seen that nigga.
3 days.
I been on that nigga 2 cigarettes for 3 days. He get 3 cigarettes. Don't worry about it. So next time my nigga cigarette.